Okay, let's go story time. I love you, honey bunny. You are sweeter than the sweetest little honey bee. But where's the bunny? That's you, bunny. Bunny, 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 bunny. Yeah. Where's the sunflower? Where's sunflower? Yes, that's a sunflower. What color is sunflower, boy? It's yellow. Uh-huh. Yeah. You fill the world with love. You are amazing to me. Can you show me a red heart, boy? Where's the red heart? Yes, boy. Yeah, that's right. That's red. And purple heart. Boy, can you show me the purple? Okay. You are my bright and shining star. That's you, honey bunny. Honey bunny. Honey. Yes, that's a star. Yes, what color is the star? What color is the star, boy? It's yellow. Uh-huh. I know your dreams will take you far. Yes? You're so cute and cuddly too, honey bunny. Yes, I love you. Say, I love you, mommy. I love you. And the end. Time to sleep now. It's time to... Yes, mama. Time to sleep. Ke matlo ka bala jale.